to factor quadratic equation easily. Before we proceed, let's define first the quadratic equation. We all know that quadratic equation is a mathematical sentence with a degree of 2 that can be written in the following standard form: ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. And now, let's proceed to factoring of quadratic equation using X method. Using the standard formula of quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, we can factor the quadratic equation easily by using the X method, but first, we must identify the b and c that will be used in factoring. Try this by identifying the a, b, and c of a certain quadratic equation. Given the quadratic equation, x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals 0. In identifying the a, b, and c, always remember that the variable has degree of 2 is the a, the variable has x is the b, and c has no variable. So the value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 1. After identifying the a, b, and c, get the values of b and c. Next step is to draw a X and put the value of b and c to the lower and upper opener of an X. Next step is factor the c and get its factor that satisfies b if you add or minus it. Lastly, put the numbers in the two blank space in X, which is the right and left. Follow the sign of given numbers and proceed to the final answer. Example, factor the x squared plus 2x plus 1 by using the X method. First, draw an X and identify the b and c in a quadratic equation. After identifying the b and c, get the factor of c so that we can proceed to the next step. The c is 1, and the only factor of 1 is 1 times 1 that satisfies the b, which is 2. When you add 1 plus 1, it gives a number of 2. And now, we will put the factor of c in the blank space, which is the right and the left. So we will put the 1 and 1. Last step, we will get the 1 and 1 and we will put it into parentheses so that we can proceed, or we will get the factor of x squared plus 2x plus 1, which is the factor is x plus 1 times x plus 1 or x plus 1 squared. Take note, the X method needs the b or the middle term and c or the last term to get its factor easily and quickly.